Hello guys, my name is King. Today I'm gonna introduce this ZHENMI rice cooker. Before we start, please feel free to check out all these features on this cooker on our website. So what you wanna know is all right there. So obviously we take out the cooker from the packing box, and what we got is two pots. So one is silver and the other one is the black pot. Also, please make sure before we start, everything is clean and make sure this rice soup box should be placed inside the cooker. And we open up. So I'm gonna introduce this silver pot is not washable, but you can clean up inside the pot. And first thing, we place the silver pot inside the cooker first, and I want to show you, please make sure this thing is facing the back. Then we put the black pot into the silver pot. So easy, right? With the packing box, you will get two white nets. So what this thing can do is preventing the rice go over the pot and make the pots more easier to wash. But I can say this thing might not so necessary. It's up to you to put in the pot or you just leave it out. So it's depends on you, and I can show you this thing how it works. As you can see, the rice is not gonna cross the net, so that's might not useful, but to me is not necessary. Personally, I don't need this one, so I just want to put it back to the rice cup. And let's start the next part. Take out the cable from the packing box and let's start to use it. Get started. After replugging, and the screen gonna show like this, and let's put it back. Next, we put in the rice into the pot and make sure the rice don't go over the black pot. Secondly, we put in the water. And one thing I want to mention right here is that unlike our traditional rice cooker, this cooker, whatever how much water you put in, you still can be hold on it, because maybe the traditional you need to measure about how many water you're gonna put in, and maybe you put too much water or too less, the rice will get so wet or too dry. But this thing can handle it perfectly. But of course, don't go over the maximum. So here is the thing. This button is the brown rice button. If you want to cook some brown rice, click this one. The second is the sugar-free button. And then we got a start button or stop. And also the top right button is the feature select button. So what we show is the 15 minutes of the brown rice button, but we want to use the sugar-free one. So click the sugar-free button and then it shows 22 minutes left. And we click the start button. Here we go. So easy, right? So if you still have some question about how to use this rice cooker, please feel free to contact our customer support. We are here to help you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.